Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but life has been crazy lately because I went back to work full-time, and now on top of that I am working on my business and also on YouTube. So until I can find the right balance, it's gonna be a little bit chaotic. I would like to apologize for that in advance, but this video today is gonna be quite fun because I am reviewing a makeup line that's becoming popular, Mented Cosmetic, which is black owned, and I've wanted to try it for a while. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It's my first makeup tutorial video, and I am not a makeup artist. I am not a professional when it comes to that, so take everything I'm gonna do with a grain of salt. Okay, I am not the best at it. I just know what works best for me. I like the packaging. The outside was very simple, like any regular box, and it just had the logo in the corner. And on the inside, it is a good reflection of the brand. And this is the loose setting powder that I ordered in color in Deep Rich. And I ordered some foundation sticks as well. I always order two colors, one that is the closest to my skin and another one that's a little bit lighter, and this is so I can highlight and contour. I feel like I cannot do makeup on my face without highlighting and contouring now. It's kind of funny. And these are samples. I assume that they always send, especially the first order, they probably send samples of foundations to everyone so you can find the right color, the right tone for your skin. So the packaging itself was pretty good. And now the fun part. I am working on my eyebrows, and I am using Got to Be Glue Gel. I have seen some YouTubers use it on the eyebrows to make them look fuller, so this was my first time trying. I was just curious. Don't judge my whole skills on that, please, because this was the first time and I just wanted to see what it looked like. Once the gel is dry, I fill in the brows with my eyebrow pencil. This is dark. You can use a lighter color. I usually use something lighter, but I didn't have any of the thing that I usually use left, so I just fill in my brows with the black one. And I try not to put too much pressure on it because I don't want it to be super dark. So just some light strokes to make it look natural, and then I brush it in. And this step doesn't have to be perfect. Your brows don't have to be perfect right there, because we are gonna define the brows with some highlighter. Before I put makeup on my skin, I usually use a primer. This is gonna define my skin, make it look a little bit smoother, and also help the makeup set in and stay longer on my face. For the foundation, I am starting with the M10. M is for medium, and I was worried that it was a little bit too light for me, but in a second I will turn the light off just to see what it looks like in natural light. And thank God it looks way better without the artificial light. It's blended with my skin perfectly. Next, I'm going to highlight with the L40 foundation stick, and I'm gonna blend it. And I'm using the Deep Rich Loose Setting Powder to contour my face. I like contouring with a powder instead of a cream. So this is what I'm currently doing, but next time I will order a darker foundation stick to use to contour. I'm using MAC compact powder to set everything together, and it is in the color NW48. And some MAC Film Noir on my cheekbones for a touch of red. This is a brown eyeliner from Tarte. I usually use the black, but I had this one in my bag, so I figured why not use it today. Next, I am working on my lips. I am using the MAC lip liner color chestnut. And I fill in the rest of my lips with a pink nude colored lipstick. I like to highlight the top of my upper lip and the tip of my nose too. I think it just adds something extra, and also my cheekbones a little bit. So overall, I would rate Mented cosmetic products a solid 8 out of 10. I like the fact that you can definitely find your shade, and that it blends smoothly, and also of all the ingredients that are pretty gentle on your skin. However, what I don't really like is that I feel like it's not really... I like a matte makeup, and this is more of a dewy look. It's gonna make your skin look dewy. If that's what you're looking for in a makeup, this is the brand for you. And this is the final look, guys. How did I do? Let me know in the comments. If you feel like this shade is true to my skin, let me know. If you feel like I should maybe try something a little darker, definitely not lighter, that I know. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.